And as more students of all ages head back to school, doctors are hoping the summer surge of COVID will ease, but they're reminding parents when it's time to keep a sick child at home.
Kids are going back to school in the thick of a summer COVID-19 surge. After lots of quarantining during the pandemic, the CDC now suggests treating COVID like other respiratory sicknesses. So when is a child too ill to go to school?
Kids with a fever should definitely stay home. Severe respiratory symptoms,
Then how long do they have to miss class?
stay home with respiratory symptoms until you have no fever for 24 hours and your symptoms are getting better. And then if you do have COVID after that, you should wear a mask for the next 5 days after you go back.
So no matter the illness, it's okay to send them back to the classroom with some symptoms if the fever has been gone for 24 hours without fever-reducing meds. In Allegheny County, COVID cases have been going up since late May. Allegheny County Health Department's medical epidemiologist, Dr. Kristen Mertz, says doctors are seeing about 70 hospitalizations per week.
Most people have some sort of immunity, either from vaccination or past infection, so that we don't have such severe cases as we did in the past. But it's still here. People should know that. People are still getting hospitalized. People are still dying, especially the elderly.
She says Pennsylvania's COVID vaccination rate for the last shot was about 25%.
Fewer kids, probably more of the older adults than younger adults got the vaccine, but still nowhere near where we would like to be.
The FDA is set to sign off on the updated COVID vaccine as soon as this week. Dr. Mertz expects it to come out in September.
And we're hoping that we can get better coverage with that vaccine.
She says everyone 6 months and older is encouraged to roll up their sleeves.
It should be a good match to the variants that are out there, so it'll prevent some infections. And even if it doesn't prevent infections, it's very good at preventing hospitalizations and deaths.
Jessica Guay, KDKA-TV News.